Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished a suspension revalve on a 2023 WP XACT Pro 6500 cartridge kit. This cartridge kit is being installed into a 2023 KTM 300SX. One of those cartridges has already been revalved and assembled, and I have that laid out here, along with two other components of the cartridge, so we can take a look at them. The WP XACT Pro 6500 cartridge kit is a closed cartridge damper. So we have the compression adjuster here at the top, along with a preload adjuster as well. That is the outer hexagon for adjusting preload. Then we have our silver spring tube, which holds the spring in place. It also acts as a secondary damper, providing additional compression resistance when these spring tubes, that's the silver piece, encounter the oil in the outer chamber of the fork. Below this, we have the fork spring that we selected for the rider's weight, riding type, and bike. And then into the bottoming cone. Compared to a Showa or KYB fork, these bottoming cones are about 2.5 times as long. So that means these forks are going to have a much stronger bottoming feel the last few inches of travel. By stronger bottoming feel, consider that as more bottoming resistance, meaning the forks are harder to bottom out. This is regarded as a good thing. Above this, we have that piece isolated so you can just see what it looks like. The rebound clicker threads into the bottom of it. This cartridge assembly is very similar as the cartridge assembly inside of the WP cone valve forks. Are also rebranded now as the WP XACT 7548 forks. This cartridge kit was revalved to the JBI suspension motocross spec, and we matched it with a WP XACT Pro rear shock. Details on that in another video. This cartridge kit is going to be boxed up and shipped out to the customer, and they are going to install it themselves. This also comes with a JBI suspension settings guide, which informs them of our recommended oil volumes and starting clicker settings. Ride JBI has tested, tuned, and developed suspension settings for many other types of riding. Again, this kit was set up for JBI suspension motocross spec, but we also have settings for off-road riding, all the different types and variations for free riding, supercross, and arena cross. So if you'd like Ride JBI to do your suspension, please give us a call or send us an email. Be happy to talk to you about what options are available and the recommended setups that we have. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.